out there picking up. Wow. It's all stuck on that barbed wire, too.
Our landfill, and we had such a windstorm. What day was that? Look at here.
So you get the whole perspective of
From here?
Yeah. Because it's kind of going past like that. But yeah,
that's why I said you drive.
No, that's why I'm telling you how to do it. Just, it looks like Christmas trees, huh? And the people cleaning up. Look over here. Doesn't it look like Christmas? Look at that. Oh, look at that. Plastic bags, non-biodegradable.
Garbage.
If I go down this way here, see something. They're gonna be out here for 2 days. All the way up in the trees, way up there. How are they gonna get them out of those trees up there?
Cherry pickers.
Wow. They got the work cut out for them. I thought they have 100 people out there. They only got like about 10 people.